on it. Nigga know he's on it. Nigga know we gone it. Nigga know we blowin', so I need a Arizona. You already know, on my way to Arizona. Gotta get on stage in Arizona. Fuck that, since I'm on the West Coast, might as well go to California. And if she bad, I'm back up on her. Yeah, she already know, she put it on my lap. She don't know, she don't know. She don't know it's the strap. She thinks she make me hard, well she kinda make me hard, but these streets kinda made me hard. So you already know I gotta keep the AR though in the trunk, nigga, cause you know I make war though. Nigga wage war with the money I get from this rap shit. Lil J, bitch, I'm strapped, get clapped quick. If you hating on my niggas, this a song about killers, so I'ma tell you about killing. And you know that I be killing this shit like my nigga Pac did it. Lil J up on the track, niggas know that I'm with it. If you talking about getting more money and more money, then we can get that. And I'm on that shit, nigga, we can chit chat. But if you on that bullshit, Lil J, you'll get robbed. I pull the tool quick, put it on your motherfucking head. Lil J up on the track every day, I'm bustin' red. They wanna see the point, they wanna know the point. What the point is, you bitch ass niggas wanna know the point. You already know why you worry about me. Everybody really tryna worry about me. Yeah, Lil J, I'm straight, and you know that my girl got me. You already know. You already know I'm better than anybody that is tryna step up. I let them in. Yeah, I go toe to toe with all these niggas. I go toe to toe, and you already know I am overblow. I done went over and overload. Robot, I'm a robot. I'm walking on motherfucking everybody toes, soldier toes. I don't give a fuck about the military. I'm trying to get the fuck out the military. Yeah, cause we all in that system, niggas. Chopper bullets hit them niggas. I am realest hit them niggas. How I just split them niggas. Leave a nigga open. You will see everybody open. Nigga, I'm doping. Lil J like nigga, I'm doping. You doping. Niggas know that they're still smoking, token, and we ain't got no motherfucking tokens. Cause this ain't no Chuck E. Cheese, nigga. You know this. I'm fresh and you know this. Niggas know the deal. Yes, niggas know this. Lil J, nigga. Nigga potent. Freestyling off of the dome. You already know. I'm chillin' that real house. Chillin' with real house. I don't fuck with bitches with the snail mouth. You already know. We go in the fucking party and we just stare 'em out. We stare 'em out. Never seen a bear mouth open. I am sharper than the teeth up in the bear mouth. Nigga squad gang, and that is something you gon' hear about. Probably in a year, about 2, if not a year, y'all. Lil J, my nigga, y'all gone with that deer cow. Gone with that beef, y'all niggas just beefing for no reason. I'm so in it. You get ran over, no image. Just a little nigga, little small image. But when you see me in real life, you know it's real strife. You get hit with a chopper or a little knife, nigga, you will get peeled, sliced. I'm still nice, nigga, freestyling. And I freestyle like every night. That's why I'm ill like this. Nigga, I'm shit, but still I piss on these beats. You already know.
Real boss man.